friends, today we are going to learn about the chapter 6 NCERT and your chapter name is triangle. So dear friends, as you have read about the triangle in your earlier classes, not only the triangles, types of triangle, and there are so many properties you have read in your earlier classes. So here in class 10th we are going to study about few properties, that is special properties are discussed in this class. Before starting the syllabus of your class 10th, let us talk about the class 9th. There was a chapter same triangle, and there you have read about the congruency of triangles and so many congruency relations also you have read. Congruency, to discuss about the congruency, let us give a brief introduction of the congruency or congruent. Let us understand the congruent figure. To understand the congruent figure, as you have read in class 9th, congruent figures means two shapes or two figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and same size. So let us talk about the shape and size. How to understand that two figures are congruent? Conditions are given. If you are comparing two figures, they have the same shape and the same size, it means both the figures are said to be congruent figure, right? For example, passport size photo or postal card, postal tickets, they all are the congruent figures. Suppose you have two figures, they have the same shape and same size, then these two figures are said to be congruent figure. Now, as we have read the congruent figure, dear students, be aware with the shape and size. शेप भी सेम होना चाहिए और साइज भी सेम होना चाहिए. इन दोनों में अगर कोई भी डिफरेंस है, शेप नहीं मैच कर रहा है या साइज नहीं मैच कर रहा है, तो वो दोनों फिगर कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं होंगे, जैसा कि आप लोग क्लास 9th में पढ़ चुके हो. यहाँ पे तो मैं आपको सिर्फ एक इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि हम इन क्लास 10th में कॉन्ग्रुएंसी या कॉन्ग्रुएंट फिगर नहीं पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. हियर इज आवर टॉपिक is the different one that we are going to come, but before that it is important to discuss the chapter of class 9th or the topic of the class 9th. Here in this class we will study about the similarity of triangles. As you have read, अभी हमने आपको एक introduction दिया कि congruent figure क्या है, but there you have read about the triangle. Triangle is a two-dimensional figure, you know that, having three sides, three vertices and three angles. So two triangles means यहाँ पे हम दो triangle का compare करेंगे. As you have read in class 9th, two triangles are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and the same size. दो triangle आप लेते हैं, दोनों triangle की measures of sides, measures of shape अगर इक्वल मिलते हैं तो वो दोनों ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट बोले जाएंगे. इस कॉन्ग्रुएंसी के लिए यू हैव रेड देयर आर सो मेनी क्राइटेरिया ऑफ द कॉन्ग्रुएंसी. इन दोज क्राइटेरिया ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंसी यू हैव रेड अबाउट द RHS congruency, side congruency, side angle congruency, angle side angle congruency. There are so many congruency relation you have read. Similarly, same as we are going to study about the similarity of triangle. How two triangles will be similar? So before starting the similarity, we have to compare two figures. Two figures are said to be similar. Similar दो figures हो सकते हैं. When two figures are said to be similar if they have the same shape but it's not mandatory that their size will be same. So friends, here the shape and size has very important role to understand the similarity and congruency. Incongruency, having the same shape and same size, but in similarity, two figures are said to be similar if they have the same shape. Shape should be same, but size is not mandatory to be same. So, if two figures are said to be similar, two figures are said to be similar if they have the same shape, but it's not mandatory that they have their same size also. For example, you have two passport size photo. You have two photos, one is smaller one and second one is bigger one. Means photo is the same. It means they have their same shape, but one of them is the smaller one, but the second one is the bigger one. You can understand the similar figure by easy way of taking an example of circle. Two circles are said to be always similar. One if they have the smaller radius, second one have the greater radius. दो सर्कल हमेशा सिमिलर होते हैं, एक का चाहे उनका रेडियस छोटा हो या बड़ा. It means they have the same shape but their size are different. So as I told you, the similarity of triangles, two triangles are said to be similar if they have the same shape and it's not mandatory to having the same size also. Right friends? So I think you all have understood the concept of similarity. So as you have read the congruency relation in class 9th, similarly we are going to study about the similarity of triangles, the conditions. There you have read side 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 congruency, here we will read side 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 similarity of triangles, side angle side similarity of triangles, angle side angle similarity of triangles, RHS similarity of triangles, right? Same as, but the conditions are here given. There is a little bit different between congruency and similarity. Congruency of two triangles means two triangles are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and same size. But for the similarity, two triangles are said to be similar if they have the same shape, but it's not mandatory to have the same size. So dear friends, to understand the concept of similarity, you look few figures which is given there in your textbook. You have to read the theory part of the textbook so you can understand easily the similarity which we are going to discuss in this chapter, triangle. So let us take a brief introduction of similarity of few triangles, right? As in the congruency and similarity, if two figures are congruent, they are said to be similar. Let us take the comparison between similarity and congruency. So I said that if two figures are congruent, so they must be similar, but if two figures are similar, it's not mandatory that the figures are congruent also. So I think you got the difference between similarity and congruency. What I said, congruent figures are always similar, but similar figures are not mandatory to be congruent. There is a brief comparison between congruent and similar figures. Same as about the triangle also. If two triangles are congruent, they must be similar. But if two triangles are similar, so it's not mandatory that both the triangles are congruent also. Understood? Concept similar और congruent का clear हुआ? So let us take few similarity conditions which we will discuss in this chapter and its explanation also to understand the two similar triangle. Dear students, keep it in mind, in this chapter हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ ट्रायंगल्स के सिमिलैरिटी कंडीशंस को पढ़ेंगे और उस सिमिलैरिटी कंडीशंस के अलावा उसमें how many criterias are there and what are those criterias we will study, we will explain as conditions that two triangles, how they will be similar and what are the conditions, necessary conditions we will discuss. Okay friends, so to understand the similarity of few figures, here is given the special exercise for you to understand the similar figure or the difference between the congruent and similar figures. Here in exercise 6.1, the question number 1 is given. What? Fill in the blanks using correct word given in bracket. That you are going to complete this sentence by these two words which will be the correct. कौन सा करेक्ट होगा, इसको आपको पहले तो रिकॉग्नाइज करना है, पहले तो समझना है. आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू हैव टू फिल देयर इन दिस ब्रैकेट, इन दिस ब्लैंक. ओके, सो व्हाट इज गिवन द स्टेटमेंट? स्टेटमेंट इज गिवन ऑल सर्कल्स आर, सभी सर्कल्स, कितने भी सर्कल्स दिए. सो व्हाट आर दे कॉन्ग्रुएंट आर दे सिमिलर? वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे कि सिमिलर होंगे? So here are given few circles. There are so many circles are given. We do not know what are their radii actually, but circles are given. Now the question is arising that are they congruent or are they similar? ये हमको डिसाइड करना है. So out of these circles, first to decide this, are they similar or congruent, we should properly know that. हमें क्या जानना है? That we should know what are the congruent and what are the similar. So as we have discussed that two figures are having same shape, it means these circles are having same shape. They are having same shape, but they do not have the same size. साइज इनका सेम नहीं है. इट मीन्स इट इज क्लियर दैट दे आर नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सो इफ दे आर नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट, सो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द सिमिलर ऑल्सो. इफ टू शेप्स हैविंग सेम शेप बट नॉट नेसेसरली they have the same size also, so they do not have the same size, therefore these all circles are similar. So what we need to fill in this? All the circles are similar. Understood? Any problem in this? Okay, here is the second part is given. All squares are, now we are going to decide that are they congruent or are they similar. So same as here are so many squares are given. Their shape is visible to you. आप सभी को इसका शेप दिख रहा है, इसकी साइज भी दिख रही है, राइट? सो आर दीज स्क्वायर्स हैविंग सेम शेप आर हैविंग सेम साइज? इसको डिसाइड करने के बाद फिर हम अपने रिजल्ट पे आएंगे कि आर दे कॉन्ग्रुएंट आर दे सिमिलर. सो लेट अस सी द फिगर्स. स्क्वायर्स को देखते हैं. आफ्टर सीइंग दिस स्क्वायर्स we have to come on the definition of the congruent and similar. तो as congruent और similar के definitions को clear करते हुए we will decide. So in this squares हमें जहाँ तक दिख रहा है कि सभी square same तो दिख रहे हैं, means they have the same shape. क्या उनकी size भी same है? Same है? नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि उनकी sides डिफरेंट मेजर्स के हैं. तो दे हैव सेम शेप बट दे डू नॉट हैविंग द सेम साइज, देयरफॉर all the squares are said to be similar. So we need to fill here similar. Got it? See this third part, in this it is given all blank triangles are similar. All which type of triangles are similar? We have to decide. We have two options, isosceles and equilateral. So कौन से दो triangles ऐसे हैं out of these two, those who are similar? तो first of all, let us talk about the isosceles triangle. As you know that it is a type of triangle having two sides are equal. So if you have two isosceles triangle, here are so many isosceles triangles are given. So are they similar? We have to decide. Are they similar? So are they having the same shape? They are not looking like as the same. They do not have the same shape. They do not have the same size. So how can they be similar? Okay, it means our answer is this isosceles is not the correct. Let us talk about the equilateral triangle. Are they that there are all equilateral triangles are similar or not? This we are going to decide. So here are few equilateral triangles are given. So in equilateral triangles, as you are observing, are they having same shape? Shape same दिख रहा है. Are they having same size also? No, they do not have the same size. Size are different. So in the definition of similarity, it is clear that if two figures are same, having same shape, but not necessarily the size should be same, these two figures are said to be similar. It means all equilateral triangles are similar. So our options are equilateral triangles are similar. I think आप सबको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ रहा होगा किसका, सिमिलैरिटी और कॉन्ग्रुएंसी का. तो बच्चों इस कॉन्ग्रुएंसी और सिमिलैरिटी इसमें कंफ्यूज होने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं. कॉन्ग्रुएंट फिगर वही फिगर होते हैं जिसके शेप और साइज़ दोनों सेम होने चाहिए, लेकिन सिमिलर फिगर वो फिगर होते हैं जिसका शेप तो सेम होता है लेकिन साइज कैन बी सेम. इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी दैट इट इज सेम ऑल्सो. सेम साइज का अगर है तो भी सिमिलर तो होगा, लेकिन डिफरेंट साइज का है तो भी सिमिलर होगा, ये याद रखना. दैट्स वाई आई सेड दैट ऑल द कॉन्ग्रुएंट फिगर्स आर सिमिलर बट ऑल द सिमिलर फिगर आर नॉट congruent. Got it? Okay friends, see the next fourth part of this question. Given that two polygons of the same number of sides, you have two polygons. The concept of polygon you have read. Triangle is a polygon, square is a polygon. You have read it in your earlier classes. So given here two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Two polygons जिसमें नंबर ऑफ साइड्स सेम है, इक्वल है, वो सिमिलर होंगे. कंडीशन इज गिवन इफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर एंड इट इज हियर ब्लैंक एंड देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर. सो व्हेन यू ऑब्जर्व द पेज नंबर 119, पेज नंबर 119 when you observe, so there the explanation of this concept is given. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in same ratio, are in proportion. Proportion you need to fill it. Are in proportional. This proportional having the same meaning if you are writing having the same ratio, means their sides will be in same ratio and their angles should be equal. Corresponding angles should be equal. Got this concept? Here are few polygons are drawn. They have the same number of sides. Their corresponding angles are equal and their sides are in same ratio. Okay friends, let's see the second sum of this exercise. give two different examples of pairs of. In this question, friends, the students are a little bit confused that which two figures, which pair of figures can be similar and non-similar. So don't be confused. From here, few examples are given, so it will be clear that which two pair of, what is asking the question, two different examples of pairs of. First, similar figure के दो ही different example देने similar figure के. First, what I had given, a pair of equilateral triangles. Now the question is arising, how a pair of equilateral triangles are examples of similar figure. इसको देखते हैं. With the help of this figure, as you know that equilateral triangles are having same angle. Angles तो इसके equal होते हैं. Angles equal होते हैं. Sides can be different one. It means sides can be in the same ratio. It means two equilateral triangles are always similar. हमेशा similar होते हैं. अभी कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया. They have the same angles. शेप सेम होते हैं लेकिन साइज में डिफरेंट होते हैं, लेकिन उनके साइड्स सेम रेशियो में आर, दे आर प्रोपोर्शनल. दैट्स वाई दे आर कमिंग इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ सिमिलर फिगर. ओके, सेकेंड एग्जांपल देखते हैं. अ पेयर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ. डिफरेंट लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ का रेक्टेंगल अगर लेते हैं हम, सो दीज टू रेक्टेंगल्स आर हैविंग सेम शेप सेम है. सेम शेप कैसा है? रेक्टेंगल का है. उनके एंगल्स इक्वल हैं. सेम कैसा है? रेक्टेंगल है. शेप सेम शेप हो गए. नाउ दे आर हैविंग द डिफरेंट लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ, सो देयर साइड्स शुड बी इन द सेम रेशियो, विल बी इन द सेम रेशियो. दैट्स वाई डिफरेंट रेक्टेंगल्स आर सेड टू बी सिमिलर फिगर. ओके, अब आते हैं हम नॉन सिमिलर फिगर में. सो एज फ्रॉम द फिगर इट इज़ क्लियर दैट, ये क्लियर होना चाहिए आपको कि हाउ दे आर सिमिलर. ओके, नाउ नॉन सिमिलर फिगर में आते हैं. अ रेक्टेंगल एंड अ पैरेललोग्राम. अभी आप एक रेक्टेंगल और पैरेललोग्राम ले लेते हैं, जैसा कि फिगर में आपको दिख रहा होगा. अ रेक्टेंगल एंड अ पैरेललोग्राम. इन दिस रेक्टेंगल्स आर हैविंग all angles are 90 degree, but the parallelograms, it's not mandatory they are having 90 degrees. That's why they are coming in the category of non-similar figure. Isosceles triangle and a scalene triangle. Isosceles triangle in this and a scalene triangle in this, sides are not in proportion. That's why they are coming in the non-similar figure category. कॉन्सेप्ट आपको समझ में आया होगा. फिगर के थ्रू आप अपने कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर कर सकते हो. और अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम फील होती है, सो यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट. लेट्स सी द थर्ड सम. स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स आर सिमिलर और नॉट. ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू बाइफरकेट दैट दीज टू क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स विच आर गिवन, आर दे सिमिलर और नॉट. तो सिमिलरिटी, अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द सिमिलरिटी, we have to come on our result. Are they similar or they are not similar? Right? Okay. So let us compare these two figures. This is a quadrilateral. This is a rhombus. All the sides are same. It is also a quadrilateral. It is also a type of rhombus which is a square. All the sides are equal. Okay. So if we will see the size, they have all the sides, they are quadrilateral, they are rhombus, they are quadrilateral, they are rhombus. But here you can see in this figure, in this square, all the angles are 90 degree, but in this rhombus angles are different. It means shape is not same. Sides are in the same ratio. Sides तो same ratio में है. Number of sides are also 4 and 4. Sides are in same ratio, are proportional, but the angles are not same. That's why these two quadrilaterals are not similar. So your answer must be that they are not similar. Understood? So these two quadrilaterals are not similar. Concept सुन में ओके।